Hi! In this video, we're going to practice with adverbs and connectors using conversations that can be found in movie scripts. Alright? I'd like to show you first this opportunity to prepare some vocabulary that you will need. Alright, here's the activity. Match each underlined word with its corresponding picture. So you have 4 sentences and you have 5 words. So what pictures do those words correspond to? Right? Pause the video, complete the activity, please. All right, I hope that you did complete the activity, and here are the answers. So what does this picture represent? Waiting, and this one? Party, yes. What's this? It's a cake, and this one's bakery, and this action here, drive. All right, so if you understood those, let's now move on to reading this conversation. Read the following conversation, which happens to be in the format of a movie script. All right, it says, let's read it together. Interior, Anna's apartment. All right, we know where this happens. Anna is waiting for Andrea to go to their mother's birthday party. That's why we needed that vocabulary. Andrea is late, so Anna calls her. Anna says, "Hi Andrea, where are you?" Andrea says, "Sorry Anna, I'll be there as soon as possible. 10 minutes max." So that's the maximum amount of time that she will take to get there. Anna says, "Okay, but no more than 10 minutes. Actually, I still need to pick up the cake at the bakery." Andrea says, "That won't take too long. However, if you like, you can go now to do that. I'll meet you at my mom's house." Anna says, "Okay, I'll see you there." Anna arrives at her mother's apartment and finds her sister there. Anna says, "Why are you here already?" Andrea says, "I think you drive too slowly, sister. Let's see that cake." That's nice. I like that. All right, let's make sure that you understood this. And for that, I have 2 simple questions. The first one, they're going to meet at where? Anna's apartment, Anna's mom's house, the bakery. They're going to meet at Anna's mom's house. That's what they decided at the end. Next question. Anna and Andrea are friends, cousins, sisters. That was very simple, but we just needed to make sure that you understood that. All right? So now I have another request for you. List the words that refer to time and the words that help connect ideas in a sentence. So of all these words, which refer to time and which can help us connect ideas in a sentence. All right? So I'm going to give you a minute for you to complete the activity. So you're welcome to pause my video again, complete the activity, and then I'll show you some sample answers. But you complete it first, okay? Go ahead. Pause the video now. All right, I hope that you did pause the video. Here are the answers. Which words refer to time? Yes, soon, now, and already. Well, not necessarily in that order, but that's the way I happen to have them. Connectors? Yes, actually, and, but, however, and so. In any order, I know that will be fine. All right, so you know why I asked you to do that? Because I would like to tell you some things about adverbs. Adverbs are words that add information about verbs. I always like to say adverbs add about verbs, add verbs, but they also add information about adjectives and adverbs, other adverbs. And we have some examples of adverbs in the script that you just read. Look at this. I think you drive too slowly, sister. So the word slowly that you can see here adds information about driving, how the sister drives. She drives slowly. So slowly is an adverb. Next we have, however, if you like, you can go now to do that. When can she go? So the action, the verb is go. And when we do that? Now. So we're adding information about go. I'll be there as soon as possible. So that phrase, actually, as soon as possible, is telling us when she will be there. When? As soon as possible. And actually, it's a word that adds information about the action as well. Actually, I still need to pick up that cake. And finally, there is another adverb there at the end of the script. Why are you here already? Towards the end of the script. Why are you here already? Meaning that already is when the action took place. You are here already. That means that is the time when the person is there already. So she arrived there before the person that is speaking arrived. All right? Now, in the script, we also have some words that help us connect ideas. Actually, they are called conjunctions, but the general term for that is connectors. Those connectors help us connect ideas, yes, but they usually establish some relationship between the things that they connect. And the first one that I have for you here is however. However is one of those words that help us connect ideas, but they establish a relationship of contrast between the ideas that they connect. It means that something is expected, but something opposite or that contrasts with that actually occurs. So, as you may remember from the script, it says that they have time to go and pick up the cake together. However, as you can see here, however, if you like, you can go now to do that. That means that they are going to do it even if they have time to do it together. So there is contrast. You have time, we have time, we can go later or we can go together, but go now if you like. All right? So what is expected was that they just go together, but that is what however is doing, that introducing an idea that implies contrast with what is expected. And the other example that we have there is it's okay, but no more than 10 minutes. So she says, okay, you can take 10 minutes to get here, but, so even if it's okay, please don't take more than 10 minutes, all right? Now, to make sure that you understood this, I have this practice activity for you. You're going to add adverbs and connectors to complete the following conversation. And here you have this word bank. Use these words to complete this conversation written in the form of a movie script. All right? So please pause the video, complete the activity, and I'll see you in a moment. All right, I hope that you did pause the video, that you did complete the activity, and here are the answers. Interior, office. All right, this happens in an office. A woman and a young man are sitting at a table in an office, in a job interview. All right, that's the setting, we call it. Interviewer says, could you tell me about yourself? Adam, which is the name of the young man, says, I'm efficient, organized. What else can we add there? Because he says, I learn easily. Which of those words helps us there? Also, I learn easily. What are your strengths? So, what are your strong qualities? It says, we could say, I really like working with other people. I solve problems. How do you solve problems? Efficiently. And I get things done as, which of those words helps you there? Quickly as possible. Interviewer says, why did you leave your previous job? Says, I'm looking for a change, new challenges that help me grow. And we have two more remaining. Could be professionally and personally, or personally and professionally. Let's keep it like this, personally and professionally. All right, now you have the opportunity to listen to the native speakers pronounce this conversation, and as they pronounce, you practice your pronunciation as well. So I am going to pause my video. Listen to the pronunciation and practice, please.
Interior office. A woman and a young man are sitting at a table in an office in a job interview.
Could you tell me about yourself?
I'm efficient, organized. Also, I learn easily.
What are your strengths?
I really like working with other people. I solve problems efficiently, and I get things done as quickly as possible.
Why did you leave your previous job?
I'm looking for a change, new challenges that help me grow personally and professionally.
Great! I hope that you did pronounce with the native speakers and that you remembered that we are using adverbs to add information about an action, especially about time or how things happen, and that we have connectors that help us, as the word says, connect ideas, establishing some relationships. All right? Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.